Hello everyone. Today again I have come with a new video. Today I will discuss about square of a number by using diagonal method. That means how you will calculate square of a number by using diagonal method. For that I will discuss how you will calculate square of any two-digit number by using diagonal method, and then I will discuss how you will calculate square of any three-digit number by using diagonal method. Here I have taken one two-digit number, that is 67. So since this is the two-digit number, so we have to take 2 into 2, that means 4 small square. So first we have to take 4 small square box. So in this way, we'll draw one box containing 4 small square. I am drawing the box. So in this way, you will draw one box containing 4 small square. Now the number is 67. So here I will write 6, 7. Here also I will write 6, 7. Now I will draw diagonal for every small square. So for this square, in this way I'll draw diagonal. For these two square, in this way I'll draw the diagonal, and for this square also I'll draw the diagonal. Now first I will multiply this 6 into this 6. 6 into 6, the result is 36. So that 36 I will write in this place. This is 3 and this is 6. Now I will take this 6 and this 7. 6 into 7, that is 42. So I'll write in this way 42. Now I will take this 7 and this 6. 6 into 7, 42, and that result we will write in this place. So in this place we have to write 42. So in this way we will write 42. Now we will take this 7 and this 7. 7 into 7, 49. So that result we have to write in this square box. So here I will write 4 and here I will write 9. So this will be 4 and here we will take 9. Now along these I'll take the number. So here here only one digit is there, that is 9. So that 9 I will take. Now I will take the number along this. So along this the numbers are 2, 4 and 2. So if you add this number, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 4, 8. So that 8 I will write in this place. Now I will take these digits, that is 6, 4 and 6. So if you add this result, that is 6 plus 4, 10 plus 4, 14. 14, since this is two-digit number, so from this 14 I will consider the unit place digit 4, and this one will be the carry. So this one I will take in this place. Now the remaining part is this one I will take. So from this place we are getting 3. So this 3 and this is the carry 1, that result will add, so we are getting 3 plus 1 4. So ultimate what we are getting, from this one we are getting 4, from this one we are getting 4, from this one we are getting 8, from this we are getting 9. Now the ultimate result, that is 67 whole square, this is equals to, first I will take this number, then this, and then this one. So the result will be 4 4 8 9. So this is the ultimate square of 67. Now I will take one 3-digit number and I will discuss this process. Here I have taken one 3-digit number 256. So since this is the 3-digit number, so we have to consider 3 into 3, that is 9 small square. So we have to consider 9 small square box. So in this way I'll draw one box containing 9 small square. So we have to draw the box. We have to draw the box in this way containing 9 small square. So 3 row and 3 column we have to draw. So this is the box. Now since the number is 256, so in this way I'll take 2, 5, 6 along row. We'll take 256 along first row 2, along second row 5, along third row 6. Now we have to draw the diagonal. So in this way we'll draw diagonal. So in this way you have to draw diagonal for every square. So these are the diagonals. In this way you have to draw diagonal for every small square. Now first we have to take these 2 and these 2. If you multiply these 2 and these 2, 2 into 2 4, and that result we have to write in this place. 2 into 2 4, that result you have to write in this place. Here 2 places are there. This is the one place, this is the another place. Since 4 is the 1 digit, so we have to take in this way. We have to take in this way. Here we can write 0 and here we can write 4. Now we'll multiply this 2 and this 5. 2 into 5 10. That result we have to write in this place. So here we'll write 1 0. Then these 2 and this 6 we have to multiply, and that result we have to write in this place. 2 into 6, that is 12. So here I will write 1 and here I will write 2. So 1 2. Then I will consider this 5. So 5 into 2, result is 10. That result we have to write in this place. So in this place I will write 10. Then I will consider 5 into 5, 25. That result we have to write in this place. So here we'll write 2 5. Now we'll take this 5 and this 6. 5 into 6, 30. That result we have to take in this place. So your 3, your 0. Now we'll take this 6. 6 into 2, 12. That result we have to write in this place. So here 1, here 2. Now we'll consider this 6 and this 5. 6 into 5, 30. That result we have to write in this place. So here we'll write 3, here 0. And finally we'll take this digit and this digit. 6 into 6, 36. That result you have to write in this place. So here we'll write 3 and 6. Now we have to consider in this way. This is the only single digit. In this way you have to make circle. This is the only one digit. So this will remain same. Now here we'll take this digit. So here the digits are 0 plus 3 plus 0, that is 3. Now we have to take this digit and you have to add this digit. So if you add this digit, what you are getting? If you add this digit, so 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. So we are getting 15. So since this is the 2-digit number, so from 15 we'll consider the unit place digit 5, and this one digit we have to take in this place as carry. This will be the carry. Now we'll take the next diagonal. So along this diagonal, if you add this digit, so you will get 1 plus 0 plus 2, that is 3, 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 1, so this is 4. 4 and this carry 1, we have to add, so result is 5. Now we have to take this portion. So this portion digits are, we are getting 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Now this is the remaining part. Here only 0 is there, so this will be 0. So now finally what we are getting? We are getting this 0, this 6, this 5, this 5, this 3 and this 6. Now 256 whole square, this is equals to, we have to take from this side, first digit 0, then 6, then 5, then 5, then 3, then 6. So we'll get 0, then 6, then this 5, then 5, then 3, then 6. And in the extreme left portion, the writing of 0, that is meaningless. So this is equals to, simply we can write 6, 5, 5, 3, 6. So this is the ultimate square value of 256. So in this way, by using diagonal method, easily you can calculate the square of any number. So thank you everyone. Everyone like this video. If you are satisfied with this video, and subscribe this channel for more video, and click the bell icon for regular updates. So thank you everyone.